Good morning, guys. It's a wet day. Oh. All right, so it is Sunday, bright and early. I think it's like 7 o'clock. And it is a wet, cloudy day. And what I'm about to do is go get some fuel. Yep. Just my thing, you know, while the family's sleeping. I like to just go down to the storage and get my fuel, you know, my mixed fuel, and fill up my containers. So I'm taking you guys along with me. Now let me ask you guys, what grade of fuel do you use for your handheld? You know, your string trimmer, your edgers, your blowers. Put it in a comment. I use marine fuel or I use high octane. You know, that's what we use. All right, so here we are. Super wet day. So yeah, I like to come out here on the weekends, just early in the morning, just to you know, before the family gets up and everything. And as you can tell, we'll be taking the Laser Z this week, well, a couple of days anyway, and 36. See that? That's pine straw. A whole big container. All right. As you guys can tell, I've done this before, right? Yeah. Just in case, you know, just in case. Retired first sergeant. All right, guys, don't judge the way my place looks. It's pretty messy. Don't worry about it. Fuel. Yeah. I think just for today, I'm going to transfer this fuel from here to here. And, oops, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. And then just fill this one up. Look at that, exactly 2.5 gallons, huh? Keep that there. Take this. I know you guys' eyes all over, huh? You got eyes all over. Oh, what he's got in there? What he's got in that storage? Go ahead, guys. We're the ones. Man, it's a find to store fuel inside that place. Nah, I'm only joking, guys. Who cares? All right. So we're gonna put 5 gallons. And I know this is crazy, guys, but you know, just conversation here. Do you fuel up just a little bit, pour your mix, and then fill it up? Or do you pour your mix? You know, does it matter? The only thing I don't do is I don't fill it up and then pour my mix. You know what I mean? Because I like to just have it mix in while I'm refueling it. It's in there. Take this with me. There's no real point to this video, right? Early Sunday morning, refueling. Excuse me. Woo. I'm such a pig on camera. All right. On to the gas station. All right. So the first two we're gonna fuel up is the regular gas, and then we hit up the ethanol gas, the non-ethanol, I mean. You know what's funny about the whole situation? Even though we're in this YouTube world, people still look at you crazy when you're filming. Like, what the heck is he doing? All right, for the lawnmowers and stuff like that, we use 87, which is, you know, the unleaded. So that's what we're gonna fill up these two containers. All right, and for the lawnmowers, this is what we use: non-ethanol. You gotta keep that stuff off your hands, guys. Now you see how quick and easy that was, guys. Now remember, I try to do a lot of things to minimize your time, as far as, you know, you're out there with the guys, you know, they sitting around and you're filling up your containers with fuel. It makes no sense to me, you know. Yeah. See? Oh, get back over here, you little minis. Yes. Now that water bottle wasn't me, guys, so don't blame me for it. Oops, wrong key. All right. Oops. Yeah. All right. Now, yesterday I sharpened all my blades, did all my maintenance early in the morning. So today it's just relaxing with the family. And enjoying my Sunday. Wrap these back up. Put it here. That's for next week. All right, guys.